Today I'm going to give you 5 different ways that I've been studying for the Google interview. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Alright, without further ado, let's get going. Alright, so the first thing that I'm doing is mock interviews. I'm doing a lot of mock interviews with people that I've met along the journey of my software development career, and I'm just having them ask me questions as far as, kind of leak code questions, HackerRank questions, and we're just working through problems together. This is really preparing me to problem solve, not only by myself, but with somebody else, right? While I'm coding, I'm able to explain with other people what's going on, what I'm thinking, and I'm able to communicate my problem solving skills. Okay, so the second thing that I'm doing for this Google interview is I'm applying to other jobs. Why? Because it's just really helping me prepare for interviews, right? It's helping me talk to other people about my previous experience. It's helping me, prepare with coding challenges and for other algorithms that might be out there that these companies are asking for. So applying to other jobs can really get me comfortable with interviewing, right? It's really kind of opening me up to this idea of interviews. Okay, and the third thing, it's a little bit similar to the second one, but I'm networking with other developers and I'm talking a lot about my previous experience. So I'm talking about, the things that I've done in the past, the different projects that I worked on, the different places that I've worked, and that's really helping me kind of gauge where I'm at as a software developer, and it's really helping me move along. It's helping me kind of look at my benchmark and where I need to go. So that's been really helpful as far as just explaining my experience and communicating with other people where I've been and what I've done. Okay, so the fourth thing that I've been doing is resume reviews. Now, this isn't really going to help me out in the Google interview, but it's going to help me out in scoring those job interviews, right? Now, there's a ton of different processes that go on between the, recruiter call, then you have the hiring manager and a technical and blah, 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 blah. But really, you have to get through that first recruiter call. And if your resume isn't polished, well, it's going to be super hard to get past that, right? And I guarantee you this is what got me the job interview at Google. And it's what gave me these points to touch on in the recruiter call. So resume reviews are super helpful and they will be helpful in scoring you more interviews. Okay, here's the last part. Now, this is a FANG company and I'm expected to know my algorithms. Not only that, but I'm expected to know time complexity and space complexity and some shortcuts within whatever language that I'm learning or doing, right? For me, it's going to be JavaScript. So I'm going to be expected to manipulate probably arrays and hash maps, and I'm going to be able to invert a binary tree and all this other stuff. So I've been putting in some time to my algorithms, right? But there's been some stuff out there. People hate algorithms. They think it's a waste of time, blah, blah, blah. I get it. I know. The process sucks, especially when you have to do algorithms. But here's the thing. Algorithms really help you touch on your specific language. I guarantee you that once you start doing algorithms and you come out on the other side, you're going to know your language much better than what you went in them with. This is just kind of how it is, especially with FANG companies. Now, I'm not saying that all companies are going to ask you to do an algorithmic problem. It's just not the case. But I really want this job. And in order to get this job, I'm going to have to do algorithms. So that's what I've been doing to prepare for my Google interview. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. With that being said, I hope you have a great day and a great rest of your week.